Hall. Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start with the figure, which is the combination of different solids which we have completed. Now, before going to begin with this, I'll just recapitulate the formula which we all have completed till now. Because here in this exercise, we are going to utilize each and every formula which we did in exercise 17.1, 2 and 3. In exercise 17.1, if you remember, we have done this cylinder. And what is curved surface area? For example, this is cylinder. What is formula for the curved surface area? 2 pi RH. And volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r plus h. And in exercise 17.2, we did cone. So curved surface area of the cone is like a ice cream, example of ice cream cone. So curved surface area of the cone is pi r L. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now in the third exercise we have completed a sphere. So a sphere, the shape. Curved surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So this sphere is divided into two halves. It means hemisphere. So curved surface area of the hemisphere like this. This is hemisphere. So curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r square. 2 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So in this exercise, in exercise 17.4, this exercise is based on the combination of the solid figure. So here I would like to tell you, before going to discuss these two things, we have the other solid figure, cube and cuboid. This figure is the cuboid. So surface area of the cuboid, if you remember, 2 in bracket L into B plus B into H plus H into L. And the volume of the cuboid is L into B into H. And if we talk about cube is like your dice. What is the volume of the cube? A cube. Where A is the side of cube. And the surface area is 6a square. So here in this chapter, surface area and the volume of combination of solid. Around us we see many objects which are made of combination of the solids. Example, buildings, vehicles, test tube, playing top, round bottom flask. Many more figures are there. So to find the surface area and the volume of such objects, break up the objects into 3D shape. Means you have to visualize the figure which is given to you to find it. Find the surface area and the volume of this individual basic shapes. Followed me? For example, you look at this figure. This tanker is given. The shape of the tanker is given this. But if you divide this figure, you will come to know this is made up of one cylinder like this and one hemisphere. So how many hemisphere is there? 2 hemisphere. So if you are asked to find surface area or total surface area, right? So total surface area of the solid you have to break up here. Curved surface area of this hemisphere plus curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of this hemisphere. Followed me? For example, if this figure is the combination of, for example, if you look at this, here it is one cone is given. Here, cone is given. So what will be the surface area of this solid figure? Surface area of hemisphere plus surface area of cylinder plus surface area of the cone. So you will get many more solid figure where many diagrams are there. Solid figures, combination of the solid figure will be there. So look at this total surface area means total surface area and curved surface area stand for this. You always remember in the combination of the figure total surface area means curved surface area of the figure. Followed me? Doesn't mean that here curved surface area means total surface area you are going to write. You will just write curved surface area, that is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. Now look at this figure here, this box, cuboid box, and what is here? This ball is there. So the figure consists of cuboid and the sphere. Two things are there. If you are asked what is the space left here in between, so how much space is left? If you are talking about space occupied means volume. So in which container this sphere is kept? Cuboid. It means volume of cuboid minus volume of sphere. This is how we are going to find out. For example, if in this cylinder one cone is kept and you are asked how much space is left, it means volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. So this is how you are supposed to calculate the figure. I hope you understood the combination of the figure. Now let us start with the exercise. So very first question it is given, this cuboid block, wooden block, and inside of it this cylindrical hole of biggest side. Biggest side, it means the height of this cylinder will be equal to the side of the cuboid. Side of the cuboid. This is height, biggest height. Followed me? So what will be the height of this cylinder? 70 centimeter, because this is length of the cuboid. Now here look at the breadth. Breadth is given 30 centimeter. So this is base. Base of the cylinder is circular. So this circular, this diameter is equal to the, followed by diameter is equal to the breadth of the cuboid. So what is this? 30. It means diameter is 30. So what is radius? Radius is 70. Sorry, 30 upon 2, 15. Got me? So for the cylinder we have height and we have radius. Find the volume of the wood left. So how much wood is left? Volume of cuboid minus volume of cylinder. So volume of cuboid, I discussed with you, L into B into H. See, volume of the log is L into B into H. Calculated. And volume of the hole made, pi r square H, because it is cylindrical. So volume of the wood left, how much wood is left from the cuboid if the cylinder is taken out? So volume of cuboid minus volume of cylinder. Understood? So again I am asking you to do all the calculation needed on right side in the register itself. Now next figure. See here student, you need to understand the figure. Otherwise formula you all know, we did it. Only we have to apply. So the given figure shows a solid trophy made of shining glass. If 1 cubic centimeter of glass cost is rupees 0.75, very clear. What is given? Cost of 1 cubic centimeter. Find the cost of the glass for making the trophy. Now as in the beginning you are asked whatever to find, you have to break the solid figure. So this solid figure is made up of what? One is, this is made as cube. You can see all the sides are equal, it means cube. And what is this? Cylinder. If you look at the figure, now what is height of cylinder? It is 20. See, base diameter, this is kept on the cube. So base diameter is equal to the side of this 28. So what is the radius of the base? 28 upon 2, 14. Now you have radius, you have height. So we can find the volume of what? Cylinder. So volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h. And volume of the cube is a cube. And you are asked find the cost of glass making for the trophy. So this trophy is the combination of what? Cube plus cylinder. So total volume of trophy is volume of cube plus volume of cylinder. Substitute the value and calculate, and cost it is given for 1 centimeter cube this much. So for 39,200 centimeter cube, multiply it and you will get the answer. I hope you can do it. Now question number 3. From a cube of edge 14 centimeter, a cone of maximum size is carved out. Find the volume of the remaining material. Again very simple. Cone is carved out from where? From the cube. And side of the cube is 14 centimeter. The similar question. See the cone, it is shown here. So what is the radius of the cone? Base 14. Side of the cube is 14. So half of 14. Radius is 2. So radius is 14 upon 2 is 7 centimeters. And the height is equal to this, one of the sides. So height of the cone is 14 centimeters. What is asked? Remaining material. And cone is carved out from where? From the cube. So how much volume of the material is left? Volume of cube minus volume of cone. So what is formula for the volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let's see. Volume of the, this is cube, a cube minus volume of the cone, this much. Calculation is needed here on the right side. I hope you can do it. Now question number 4. A cone of maximum volume is carved out of a block of wood size 14 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. It means what is this given? This shape is from the wooden block is carved out the cone. So what is the shape of the wooden block? L into B into H. It means what? This is your cuboid, right? And the cone of maximum volume is carved out, right? So if you can, here you can take this as a height, maximum height here. So height of the cone is this, and one of the base of the cuboid side, right, breadth, that is the diameter of the cone. As the, if you look at this figure, look at the same, if this is instead of cube, that in that figure it is cuboid. So cuboid, h height is 20 and other side is given here 10. So radius is half of, means this becomes diameter. So 10 upon 2, this is radius. So volume of the block, wooden block, cuboid, L into B into H. Now volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of the remaining portion is volume of cone, volume of cube minus volume of